gives contractors a bad name. These are the stolen pieces I could find. That's concrete patch, meat shells, toe kicks, 5 sheets of 2 foot by 4 foot plywood, which huge waste of money. We're still missing a bunch of breakers. We got a whole shower kit. These, where are the shark bites? Oh, these fittings alone, I think, are $40 a piece. The 18-inch shark bite. It's ridiculous. Doorknobs, 700-pound tie downs, contractor packs of everything. All that electrical was not needed for the job. He threw this onto the credit card and did his damage. So I'm gonna try and get this all returned. It's cute, right? This thing burned. Still has the tile on the floor. That's insane. I don't think they're gonna do anything with it. But one of the houses they're talking about remodeling, and it's that white one right between those two. It's basically a storage unit right now. It used to be a duplex with a shared bathroom. Can you imagine living in a duplex with a shared bathroom? But that's what it was. It's all boarded up now, but you can see it's got some issues down here. Let me get a little closer. And they had a couple doors. They wanted me to put a door here because literally it's just unscrew it and get in. That's pretty impressive. These were built in the 1940s, I think. I mean, could be worse. You can see the problem. Pretty clear. That's fun.